Welcome to The Breakdown. I'm Mario Lopez.
And I'm Courtney Lopez.
And we are here today to talk all about CarShield, America's most trusted auto protection company.
And honey, did you know that nearly 69 million drivers have a vehicle breakdown each year? That is 1 in 3 drivers.
That is terrifying. That's why we're a CarShield family.
Sure is. And they've helped pay out over $1 billion in repair claims.
Let's see what this mechanic has to say.
Over the years, CarShield has saved our customers thousands of dollars, which allows us to keep our customers' vehicles safe and keep them moving down the road.
Okay, so here's a quick hitter. The older your vehicle, the more likely it is to break down.
Oh, absolutely. And if a vehicle's warranty is expired, drivers get stuck with a bill.
Yeah, they do. The good news for all of you watching is that CarShield is as easy as call, drive, and save.
That's right. Call today for your free quote, and you could be driving with a plan from CarShield in no time.
And when a breakdown happens, your covered repairs are going to be paid for by CarShield.
With an affordable month-to-month plan from CarShield, you can get protection on up to 5,000 parts and systems. Call now to speak to a vehicle protection expert and get your free quote.
Honey, did you know that CarShield does more than save people money on car repairs?
Did you mean their amazing benefits like coast-to-coast 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, unlimited miles, and rental car options?
Well, yeah, they do all that, but did you know about their price lock guarantee? Where the price you pay today is the price you pay for as long as they cover your vehicle?
Sure did, but let's hear more from other happy customers.
I'm just a regular guy on a budget working 2 jobs. Having CarShield makes me feel great. The money I save goes a long way.
I have saved over $8,000 total.
Thank you for joining us on The Breakdown.
Yes, and please remember, drivers who call CarShield could save thousands on car repairs.
No matter how many miles you drive, CarShield has you covered nationwide and on a month-to-month plan that will never go up in price as long as you cover your vehicle. Call CarShield to lock in your rate on a month-to-month plan. Call 800-807-4124, 800-807-4124,